Okay, ethene reacts with steam in the presence of an acid catalyst to form ethanol. That there should be an equilibrium sign, so let's just change that. Write an expression for the equilibrium constant Kc for this equilibria and deduce the units of Kc. So Kc is going to be equal to, so it's products divided by reactants and concentration, so we need square brackets. And then we've got CH2 multiplied by water. Okay, the units for this, so let's just work the units out. So I've got a concentration divided by a concentration times a concentration. So let's just cross out or cross cancel what I've got here. So that means I've got 1 divided by moles per decimeter cubed, and as I bring these up onto the top row here, I change the sign, so that is a +1, so that will become a -1, and the -3 will become a +3. So my units here is mole, change the sign, -1, dm, change the sign, +3. You don't need the plus, just 3 will do. Part B. An equilibrium mixture was found to contain 0.7 moles of ethene, 1.2 moles of steam, and 4.4 moles of ethanol at a temperature T. The volume of the container was 2 decimeters cubed. So I've got numbers of moles and I've got a volume, so I'm going to have to work out the concentrations for each of these using that formula there. Calculate the value of Kc at this temperature. Give your answer to an appropriate number of significant figures. So let's work that out first. So 3 significant figures, 3 significant figures, 3 significant figures, and 3 significant figures. So again, I'm just going to put myself a little reminder down here, 3 significant figures, so I don't lose that mark when I get to it. So Kc is equal to, so let's do the concentrations. So 4.4 divided by 2 decimeters cubed, all divided by, so this is the ethene, so 0.7 divided by 2, and then multiplied by 1.2 divided by 2 as well. So there's 1 mark for that, and you can work each of those out. If you're not confident with the calculator, I would suggest that you work each of those out first. When you do all of that and work it out in your calculator to 3 significant figures, the answer is 10.5. So 10.5, and we know the units because we worked it out earlier. Not that you need them, mole -1, dm +3, and there's my little reminder there for 3 significant figures. Key thing here is if you've just put the number of moles into this expression here, you get 0 marks. Okay, so it's what they call a chemical error. So when you kind of mess up the first step or the first mark, you won't get any further marks from that.